Hi everyone, welcome to Learner's Algorithm. Today we are diving into revolution of artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, neural network, artificial neural network, convolution neural network, natural language processing, and data science. So, without any complicated equations, just simple explanation and with real world examples, we are going to understand about these terms. Let's get started. So, first we'll talk about AI, that is artificial intelligence. AI is the branch of computer science that aims to create machines that can mimic human intelligence. AI can think, learn, and make decisions like humans. So, basically, it is categorized into two forms, and that is basically the narrow AI and general AI. So, when we talk about like the task like Siri or Google Assistants, so they come under narrow AI and general AI, which can think like a human, but still like a lot of progress which is there, which is going on. So the best example which I can just say about Google, that Google search engine, like Google predicts your searches. So it's a AI using natural language process and machine learning to give you the best result. Now coming forward about uh, machine learning. So machine learning is a subset of AI that allows the computer to learn from data without explicit programming. It finds patterns in data and make predictions. So there are three types of ML: supervised machine learning, which learn from the label data; unsupervised learning, finding the hidden patterns; reinforcement learning, learning through rewards. So that is basically into self-driving cars. So again, like one of the very common example when we use the Netflix or when we use Amazon. So a recommendation like which they gives us. So basically the ML model identify the pattern, whatever the things which you're watching, the behavior of the user, and on the behalf of the behavior, it suggests the similar pattern which are over there, right? So your preferences will be predicted on the behalf of that, the content which you will be presented will be shown to you. Now, let's come up about the deep learning. Deep learning is a specialized ML technique that mimics the human brain using multiple layers of artificial neurons to process complex data. It is useful to tasks like speech recognition, image processing, and autonomous vehicles. So basically, this is like an example which we can see into the face unlock in the smartphones. Like your phone captures your face, detects key facial features, and matches it with the store data to unlock. So deep learning adapts over time, recognizing changes, whatever the changes are over there. Right. Now come forward for the neural networks. So, neural networks are inspired by the human brain and consist of layers of neurons. So, there are three main layers. Input layers takes the raw data, hidden layers process and analyze data, output layer gives the final result. So, it's basically into spam email detection, like Gmail use neural network to detect spam patterns and filter unwanted messages. Let's understand artificial neural network, and it is used for complex pattern recognition. It is mainly used into fraud detection, speech recognition, and healthcare diagnostics. So take an example like if your credit card is suddenly used in a different country, so ANN detects this as unusual behavior and raises an alert. So basically, on the behalf of the, you can say the pattern which are over there, the ANN recognize the anomalies and prevent the fraud which are over there. Now understand the convolution neural network, and convolution neural network are used into self-driving cars in our real life examples. So basically, these are the models which are designed for image and video processing. It recognizes the pattern and features in images, making it ideal for applications. So CNN is essential for real-time image recognition in self-driving cars because it helps us to improve the navigation accuracy for safe driving. Now about the natural language processing. Natural language processing enables computer to understand, interpret, and generate human language. It is used in chatbots, voice assistant, and sentiment analysis. So when I talk about the chatbot, so NLP helps chatbot to understand the text and voice, respond naturally, and improve over time. So it is used in customer service, virtual assistant, and even social media monitoring. So it's basically to make the human computer interaction in more natural and engaging way. About data science is the process of extracting insights from raw data using AI, ML, and statistics. So over here, like when I say diseases which are predicted, right, in healthcare, so AI analyze the medical report to predict diseases early and help doctors to make better decision, right? So over here, it's more about extracting the insights, and there are a lot of steps which are involved over here. Like for example, a data is collected, then the data is clean because a lot of data sets which we are having, they are imbalanced data sets, right? Imbalanced data sets more about the majority and minority, where a group of instances are more higher. So we need to clean the data to just remove the errors and remove the duplicacy and the missing values. Then we uh, analysis that do the analysis of those data to find the patterns and the trends which are over there, and we use ML or deep learning model to find out the prediction. And after all, like the results are get up, right, with the help of graph or charts with the visualization. So data science helps, basically it's like we can just say it's a mix up of all the AI ML, right, to visualize the things in much more better and easier way. So whatever the application of AI ML and DL, right, are there for language understanding and extracting the insights from data are used into data science. Now, when I say about all these terms like artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, neural networks, artificial neural networks, convolution neural networks, natural language processing, and data science, so all these technologies work together to create intelligent system that learn, improve, and make decision to solve the real problems. Right. Now let's understand a hierarchical level, like how exactly these are interrelated. So basically, AI is the umbrella field, ML is the subset of AI, DL is the subset of ML, right? Deep learning is the subset of machine learning, and neural networks are fundamental to deep learning. ANN and CNN are specialized architectures, while NLP and data science are the applications of these techniques, right? So about this, like to understand things in a very easier way and the term wise. So of course, like machine learning is used for training the AI models, right? As I told you, it's a subset of AI that focus on algorithm that allows the computer to learn from data without explicit programming. When about deep learning, so it is a type of ML for complex problems. So deep learning, a subset of ML, machine learning, that uses the artificial neural networks, right, to process complex data inspired by the human brain. Neural networks are the basis of DL. So the foundation of deep learning, right? Whenever I talk about the neural networks, so they are the foundation of the deep learning, which consists of layers of nodes that process the information. Artificial neural networks, ANN, CNN, they are basically the specialized architectures. ANN are general purpose, while CNN are optimized for image and pattern recognition. See how they are interrelated, right? ANN is for the general purpose, and CNN are optimized for image and pattern recognition. About the natural language processing, it's a branch of AI for language understanding, and data science works alongside AI, ML, and DL for data analysis. So, without any complicated equations and without any confusing, right? Just understand these terms with simple examples of real life, right? So let's take an example of self-driving cars, right, which are over there. So over here, AI makes the intelligent driving decisions, like it controls the entire system, right? Machine learning learns from the past driving data, right, to improve the decision making. DL over here recognize objects like signals, right, which are over there, or the lanes which are over there. CNN process the road images, right, on the behalf of the images from cameras to recognize the objects, and data science analyzes the driving behavior for safety improvements for better driving experience. Another example is the chatbots, right? We are using ChatGPT, Siri, and so many other chatbots are over there. So what the process is over here, like AI manage the conversation. It handles the conversation and the decision making. ML learns from the past response, right? It learns from whatever the previous set of the conversation which was held to improve the responses, to understand the behavior, to understand the nature, right? DL. So it improves the speech recognition for better understanding. NLP understand the human language. It processes the text and speech input into generating the meaningful replies. And of course, the data science, it enhances the chatbot performance while collecting the user data to analyze and improve the performance in much more better way. So this is all about the basic understanding of AI revolution, and it's just a beginning. So I'll just say keep learning, keep innovating, and there are so many other things which I'll be covering up in next sessions in the terms of making the study more easier and effective way. So see you soon, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and feel free to ask about any set of the queries which you're having in the terms of AI, right? Or for anything like in the terms of artificial neural networks, CNN or NLP. Thanks for watching once again. Have a good day. Keep learning.